Hello, gorgeous souls. My name is Rochelle, and welcome to the DIY and Affiliates Collective Soul Journey. It is a self-actualizing channel, a soul journey to help the collective raise their consciousness and level of awareness, to open unblocked chakras, to start to live in the now, understanding that we manifest our reality. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my channel. Thank you to all my loyal subscribers who have been with me from the beginning of this channel. I feel grateful to everybody who sees this message. Do you want to be a master manifester? Master manifestors are naturally connected to the universe and bring to life things often outside of their own consciousness or logical mind. To go from limited thinking to unlimited thinking. Energy, vibration, and frequency is everything. My purpose on this channel is to help a collective of souls that are going through an awakening, whether it be by chaos, just like the rug gets pulled right out underneath your feet and you're awakening, either to a soulmate or a twin flame, or just awakening to yourself and your soul is coming online, your heart is coming online. On this channel, I am inspired to create shorts, videos, playlists, and podcasts that will help you find your soul's purpose and path a collective of souls expand their knowledge and consciousness and realize you are more than what you think you are. You are much more. We are all moving towards a brand new world in the sense of vibration, awakening to a twin flame journey or awakening to a soulmate. Through your own awakening and going through the ascension into the fifth dimension, which is not a place. It is more conscious-centered heart and mind, in touch with our higher self, our spirit guides, and our guardian angel. Universal energy is the energy that is around us all the time. And there are laws you can tap into that work well to help you to flow and attract and magnetize what it is you desire into your life. I share all this knowledge about how to create this energy, the energies that are around you, knowledge about the laws that govern universal energy, such as the law of divine oneness, the law of attraction, which everybody knows, the law of vibration, the law of gratitude, number one, and the law of cause and effect, or the law of karma. Channel, you will find videos and shorts on the twin flames, the twin flame journey. What is a twin flame? Angel numbers. Twin flame angel numbers, manifesting your desires. Dolores Cannon teachings. I am adding more souls messages all the time. The twin flame journey is one of the main topics, along with the signs and synchronicities that are given to us by our spirit guides, our guardian angels, also our higher self, and the numbers such as 111. I have also made many videos and I have many downloads and many playlists on the ancient superficial frequencies which create the energies that are around us. I mostly make short videos which are usually 15 seconds to 1 minute, and the videos that I make are under 5 minutes. Every step along the way of my awakening, I have made a video that I share with a collective of people who resonate with it. There is more to life than just this physical body. And when you gain knowledge that your soul resonates with this, becomes wisdom. And along with wisdom comes discernment. And then you realize that your thoughts manifest something into your life. When you can just let yourself go and allow your soul to come online, you will find that we are all moving towards a brand new world. In the sense of vibration, we are all just used to mostly living in the lower 3 chakras, the root, sacral, and solar plexus chakras. This knowledge you will find on my channel. And even if you don't know anything to do with chakras, with aura, with twin flames, soulmates, soul contracts, I am also in the process of writing another book for Amazon. The Secrets of Unlimited Power by Clearing Our Aura, which is the 7 subtle energy bodies that surround us at all times. And this is where the prana, or the life force energy, flows through each of the chakras that create the aura that surrounds us. This also helps us with our thoughts, our feelings, and our emotions, which of course lead to our actions. The knowledge I have learned, I gladly share with you, the collective. Thank you very much for being part of this journey with me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you will be notified of all new content when it is posted, of all new messages that I am inspired to send you on a daily basis. I wish everybody very happy holidays, and may all your wishes, desires, and needs be fulfilled. See you in the next video.